In fact, Mr. President, yung pinakita po ninyo kanina, itong signed committee report, it bolstered and strengthened the position po ng Makati Business Club na itong 2025 unconstitutional budget is not only unconstitutional but hijacked. Hinijack talaga dahil totally different from the NEP that was submitted by the Office of the President. Ang masaklap pa, hinijack nyo na, blanco pa yung committee report sa napakaraming items.
Well, that's something which has be looked into. I hope that the appropriate action can be taken by ikaw, Sid, or any other Filipino dito nakikinig sa atin ngayon. Ako sana, pero matanda na ako, matagal na ako nawala sa practice. But nandito sila, Atty. Delgra and the rest of the taga Davao, meron naman itong, marami kami ditong talagang totoong Pilipino, nagmamahal sa bayan. So, I'm sure that they would not allow these things to pass just like that. Mahirap yan.